Hello friends, today on this video right now I'm going to show you how to set camera timer on Samsung mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first you have to move on camera, then from here you are going to find this off option, no, on this middle. So you just click here on the off option. After you have been click on this off option, here you are going to find the many seconds, okay, 2 second, 5 second and 10 second. So from here you just select any numbers, like I select the 5 second, okay, and here it has came the 5 second. So right now just try to capture some pic. Here the timer has been set, okay, see it's working, right? And this pic has been captured with the timer. You can set the timer like this, and if you want to off, you can off it. Here is the off option, so click on off and the timer will be set off, okay? So friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.